morning, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 332nd episode and my final episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2019. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. Before we begin, I received some more Christmas cards in the mail. Let's start with this one. This is from Miss Brazel. Isn't that cute? All right, let's see what it says. Wishing you all the joy, hope, and wonderful of Christmas. Hey sis, wishing you and New Year filled with all the blessings your heart can hold. Love, Miss Brazel and Walter. Oh, thank you, sis. It's a beautiful card. And next, this card is from my friend Tosh from Tosh Time. Yeah, what? Beautiful card. All right. Let's see what it says. Have a cozy, happy holiday. Hey, Ellen, we need to meet again soon when I'm back in Texas. Happy holidays, Tosh Time. Yeah, what? Oh, thank you, Tosh. Tosh came down to Houston back in January when we had breakfast together at the Breakfast Club. She is an amazing, down-to-earth person. And y'all go check out Tosh and Ms. Brazel's YouTube channel. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. Can you believe Christmas is 2 days away? It's finally here. And just a reminder, on Christmas Day, I'll be doing a Q&A video. Please post your questions down below in the comment section. I'm looking forward to answer each and every question. And I want to thank all y'all for joining me in my Christmas series. I hope y'all enjoyed all these amazing festive holiday treats. Well, to end my last Christmas series, I got a great breakfast or brunch recipe that will satisfy everyone, and it'll be a family favorite during the holidays. We're gonna make hot chocolate waffles. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's gonna be so delicious, full of hot chocolate goodness, simple and easy to make. And we're gonna top it with a homemade marshmallow cream drizzle on top. It's sure to make your mouth water. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Christmas treats recipes playlist for more recipes. So grab your hot chocolate, your marshmallow cream, and your flour sugar, because we're about to make some hot chocolate waffles magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, here are the ingredients we're going to use for this recipe, starting with the wet. In my measuring cup, I have 1.5 cups of hot chocolate that I'll let cool. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/3 cup of canola oil, and 2 light beaten eggs. And we're going to whisk everything until it's well incorporated. And then we're going to set the wet ingredients aside while we work on the dry. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 2 cups of stuffed rice and flour. And we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of white sugar. And all we do is whisk them together until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to add the wet ingredients to the dry. We're going to continue whisking until it's well incorporated. All right, my friends, the waffle batter is ready. See how simple and easy it was? Smells so chocolatey. All right, so now we're gonna let the waffle batter rest for a few minutes. And while that's happening, I'm gonna preheat my waffle maker. All right, my friends, my waffle maker is preheated and I spread it with some cooking spray. So now using my measuring cup, we're just gonna scoop the batter. Like so. Alright, my friends, so now we're going to let the waffle cook until it's golden brown. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, my hot chocolate waffle is done. And it smells awesome in this kitchen. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking the rest of my waffles and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through cooking my waffles. Now it's time for the final touch. Over here in my bowl, I melted 1 7-ounce jar of marshmallow cream with 1/2 cups of milk, or you can use heavy cream. And I heated it in the microwave until it's melted. So now we're going to drizzle it right on top of the waffles. This looks so good. And now I have some mini marshmallows that we're going to put right on top. Or you can use regular size marshmallows. And last but not least, going to add some milk chocolate chips. And there you have it, my friends. Hot chocolate waffles. Doesn't that look scrumptious? And these waffles would be fun to make with your kids on Christmas morning. They're gonna enjoy this. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Light and tender. Like a taste of hot chocolate. These are incredible. And they just melt in your mouth. If y'all love hot chocolate and waffles, y'all gonna love this. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. That marshmallow cream is out of this world. Yummy. Hot chocolate waffle-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.